Snapchat added a new feature that allows users with compatible devices to take super cool 3D selfies. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Snapchat's new 3D selfie feature. Now let's get started. 3D is a new camera mode for Snapchat that will give your selfies a cool new perspective and more dimension. The 3D feature is only available for iOS and only on iPhone X or newer. We'll put a list of all the compatible devices in the description box below. To take your own 3D selfies on Snapchat, open the app and switch to your front-facing camera. Then tap the downwards arrow on the right. From the menu that appears, tap 3D. The 3D camera mode will then be enabled. Say cheese and snap your selfie. Once your 3D selfie loads, you can swipe sideways to add filters the same way you do with regular snaps. These filters are specifically tailored to 3D selfies. When you're happy with how your snap looks, go ahead and send it to your friends or post it to your Snapchat story. That's all it takes to snap your own 3D selfies on Snapchat. Make sure you check out our playlist of Snapchat tutorials linked below to learn about Snapchat's other awesome features. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.